I started off dealing with this site some time ago, and as you can see, yeah, it's okay, but it wasn't really doing anything for me. It wasn't actually generating the kind of information I wanted. It felt a little bit plain. What I was actually interested in doing was developing a site like this. Now, as you can see, this is something that is in a different setup completely. In this case, it's in Netlify. For me, this felt like quite a big challenge because I was looking to actually develop something that was going to be effective. So what I then decided to do was use one of the large language models. In this case, I used Abacus. And I actually started to work through the site and actually provided it with details to analyze the site and develop the site to copy over the content from one site to the other. Now, you think this is going to be quite a big challenge. Well, actually, it wasn't because the instructions take me through that particular journey. And because of prompting experience and understanding of something called terminal, I was actually able to do it relatively quickly within a matter of a few hours. So there were several points that we got through in this process, as you can see, costings, looking at the different pages, etc., which I shall show you in a minute. So we went through quite a process, computer actions, as you can see. It took screenshots and all the wonderful things that you might expect. So what was the result? Well, we ended up with this site here that was developed over a few hours. And as you can see here, it takes us through to the benefits and the industries. We can see how the chatbot will operate, how it will work with different sectors. And because it works with different sectors, we can see separate pages for each one with potentially what the chatbot would actually operate off. You can also see that we have the start conversation should we want to by pressing that. And I've done a particular separate video for that, looking at how the dental surgery would operate. And you can see we have the option to sign in. And this actually goes directly into the login option within our system. Now, in this case, it might not do because I'm doing it as an admin login, but what I'm trying to say to you is that these options do fit together. And here you can see I've logged directly in and I have access to the system as well. So that's good. But overall, what I'm trying to do today is just encourage you that if you are looking for the option to improve a site on a cost basis or a sensible basis, the option is there. We can build that with you, take a design from one site to another, and transform your site to a site that could work and actually has appeal operationally and functionally. So I'm hoping this has been of help. My name is John Fairest, and I have built that site and build sites and chatbots and teach and train AI as well. Thank you very much indeed for watching this particular video.